The driver of this bus from the coast was allegedly speeding at the black spot when the accident occurred.
There were two matatus. One was right on the road, another one was trying to park. Then the bus came at a very high speed. Then he hooted and flashed at the driver of the matatu who was on the road as he was trying to get out of the road to the other side of the road, to the right-hand side of the road. Unfortunately, the bus driver had also swerved the same direction.
The ensuing crash saw two people killed on the spot when the bus rolled over them, crushing them under its weight.
The injured people, the ones I've been told about, Red Cross rushed one person to the hospital who was in the bus. Then there is another person who was injured right here. I was able to get him, and we have also taken him to hospital.
The Alendu shopping center stage is a known black spot on the road with no bumps to slow down oncoming vehicles. Many have lost their lives as buses headed to and from Kisumu City speed by. From Kisumu City, I am Fredo Mulo.